One of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise is walking. It's a great way to stay active, boost your fitness and overall health, and even help you lose weight. Walking can provide a low-impact workout with numerous benefits for those looking for an easy way to get fit. Walking can benefit your physical and mental health in a variety of ways, such as reducing stress and strengthening your heart and lungs. We will talk about some of the main advantages of walking as a workout in this video. Improves cardiovascular health. A great way to improve your cardiovascular health is to walk. It can aid in weight loss, stress reduction, blood pressure reduction, and overall health improvement. Walking can also be a fun way to connect with the natural world and get some fresh air. You can improve your cardiovascular health and lower your risk of heart disease by walking regularly. Promotes weight loss. Walking is one of the best ways to get healthy and lose weight. It is a low-impact workout that can be done almost anytime, almost anywhere, and at any age. Walking helps you lose weight, get rid of stress, and feel better all around. It can also help improve posture while strengthening the bones and muscles. Boosts mood and reduces stress. One of the least well-known forms of exercise is walking. It's easy to do, simple, and can have a big impact on your mental and physical health. Walking exercises can help you stay fit and healthy while also improving your mood and reducing stress. Walking workouts are a great way to get in shape without spending a lot of money on gym memberships or expensive equipment. Walking helps you burn calories, improve your cardiovascular health, and reduce stress all at the same time. Additionally, because walking can be done both indoors and outdoors, it is an excellent choice for people who lead busy lives and don't have time for more strenuous forms of exercise. Increases muscle strength and endurance. Walking is a good way to reduce stress and build muscle strength and endurance. It has been demonstrated to be one of the most beneficial exercises for mental and physical health. Walking exercises are a great way to improve muscle endurance and strength. They don't require much equipment and can be done in any terrain, from flat to hilly. In addition, they are exercises with a low impact that are gentle on the joints and can help you tone your muscles while burning calories. You can increase your overall fitness and lower your stress levels by regularly working out with walking. Because it is good for your mind and body, this type of exercise is a good choice for people who want to improve their physical health. Improves balance and coordination. Walking is a good way to get your balance and coordination in order. It improves agility and reflexes while also strengthening the muscles in your legs, core, and upper body. When combined with other exercises like yoga or stretching, walking can be used as a workout to improve balance and coordination. You can improve your stability and lower your risk of injuries or falls caused by poor balance by walking on a regular basis. Additionally, walking can help prevent injury during physical activity by improving posture and overall strength. Lowers risk of chronic diseases. One of the most popular forms of exercise and a good way to lower your risk of chronic diseases is to walk. Regular walking can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes, and improve your overall health. Additionally, it may improve your mood and energy levels. Walking workouts are a simple way to get your body moving without putting too much stress on it. They are exercises with low impact that can be done by anyone because they don't require any special skills or equipment. Additionally, they don't require a lot of time, making them simple to incorporate into your daily routine.